Hello friends! Every tip I'm going to give you here has been verified by the mechanics at the shop I'm at, so relax, this can be fixed. When your Honda shows the message "Maintenance Past Due," don't panic. It doesn't mean your car is about to break down. It simply means the smart maintenance system, known as the maintenance minder, detected that some service should have already been done. This system calculates the life of your oil, filters, and other components based on how you drive, not just the mileage. So sometimes the message appears even if you haven't driven that much. Mechanics at this shop tell me that this alert usually comes up when the oil has reached its limit, or when a component like brakes, filters, or fluids needs attention. The message is more preventive than alarming. Your Honda just wants to warn you before something wears out too much. That's why even if the car feels fine, the system keeps showing the alert until the necessary maintenance is completed. Here's an important point. It's not enough to just do the service. You also have to reset the maintenance minder indicator. Many mechanics have found that after changing the oil and other components, the message stayed on because the system hadn't been reset. It's like your Honda saying, "Thanks for the oil change, but I'm still remembering that I'm overdue." Resetting it brings the counter back to zero and the message disappears. Sometimes, the message appears even when the maintenance has been done, which can be caused by small system glitches. Disconnecting the battery, electrical repairs, or even a poorly executed automatic reset can confuse the maintenance minder. Luckily, most of these situations can be solved with a simple reset following the steps in the manual or on the car's display. The great thing about this system is that it protects you from bigger problems. Ignoring the message can accelerate wear on the engine, oil, and other essential components. That's why, even if it's tempting to ignore it, the best approach is to check what it's telling you, perform the maintenance, and then reset the indicator so your Honda can rest easy again.